So the work BlackBerry is not responding. Pressing the button. Pressing the button. Nothing. Holding. Nothing. Holding the power button. Nothing's coming up. And I just charged it this morning when I woke up. And now, what is this? Zed. How is a man supposed to do his primary pager with this kind of device? Could have easily missed a call. Alright. Let's do a battery full. Alright, now. So yeah. Battery pull isn't doing anything. Let's see who's calling. Hello. Katsa. Go tonight. Go tonight though. This phone is dead, I think. Battery pull. I'm not supposed to press this. Let's do that again. Blowing on it. Putting it back. Putting this back on. Try and knock again. So yeah, this bulb is dead. Yeah, let's put some power on it. Maybe the battery shit the bed. Okay, so now I have put power. I see light. Let's try powering it up. Yep, this phone is broke.